Good morning to all. So in our science class we are doing the chapter density from your physics portion, in which we already learn about the term density, that what is density and how we can measure the density of a solid, of a regular shape solid and a irregular shape solid. Fine. And we also learn about the units of the density, that how we can measure it in the different units. Now in today's class I am going to tell you about that how you can measure the density of the liquid, right? It is easy for us to measure the density of a solid, but for liquid what we have to do here, see, you know, to find the density you need what? Mass and volume. Fine. Here you can easily find the volume of liquid. How? By using a measuring cylinder. See, this is a measuring cylinder and this gives us value of the volume attained by any liquid. So you can find the value of liquid from here. But to find the mass of the liquid, what you have to do? You can't put only liquid on the electrical balance or the physical balance. So for that, firstly you have to do what? You just take a measuring cylinder and put this on the balance and wait. Okay, just suppose its mass is what? A. Now just pour the liquid into this cylinder. पहले आपने अकेले सिलेंडर का, मेजरिंग सिलेंडर का वेट फाइंड किया, वो A आ गया. नाउ व्हाट? अब आपने लिक्विड डाला एंड जो मेजर करा वॉल्यूम वो आ गया क्या? V. सो mass of the measuring cylinder and the liquid it contain is what? B. अब आप ये मानकर चलो जो आपने लिक्विड डाला था उसका वॉल्यूम कितना था? V. एंड सिलेंडर का मास कितना था? A. एंड जब आपने लिक्विड डाल दिया इन द सिलेंडर तो उन दोनों का कलेक्टिव मास कितना आ गया? B. फाइन. सो हाउ कैन यू कैलकुलेट द मास ऑफ लिक्विड? बाय सब्ट्रैक्टिंग द A फ्रॉम B. आप A में से B को माइनस कर दो तो आपके पास लिक्विड का मास आ जाएगा. फाइन. सो इन दिस वे जब आपके पास मास ऑफ लिक्विड आ गया देन यू कैन ईजिली फाइंड व्हाट? डेंसिटी. ओके. हाउ? सी दिस फॉर्मूला इज डेंसिटी हमारे पास किसके इक्वल होती है? मास अपॉन वॉल्यूम. हेयर मास इज व्हाट? फाइनल वैल्यू माइनस इनिशियल वैल्यू एंड वॉल्यूम इज सेम एज V. So in this way you can find the value of density here. So by using this formula you can do the different kind of numerical that I will teach you in the class, and I just give you this worksheet of these numericals related to the density factor. Hope by using this formula and the previous formula of the density you can easily find out your answers, and don't forget to write the units of the density. Fine. आपने unit लिखनी नहीं भूलनी है. If the mass is given in gram and centimeter, you just write the value of density as gram per centimeter cube. Okay. And if it is given in the kilogram and meter, then you just write kilogram meter per cube, the value unit of density. So in this way the topic density and how we can measure the density, I hope this is clear to you all. So revise the numericals of this topic. Fine. Okay, thank you.